Here with Injective. Congratulations if you're in this token, guys. It's doing fantastic. Breaking another new all-time high here. You can see if we go out on a weekly chart, this thing is looking great. Hit that double bottom down there and looking fantastic. Have some more volume coming in over here. Yesterday, 32 million. Today, so far 4.89 million. That will go up, I'm sure. Especially after this break. Okay, this thing is definitely heading higher. I'm going to give you some price targets here to watch for, and this thing's looking great. This could be a wave 1, 2, and we're gonna dig into this here in a second. First off, I want to show you the crypto bubbles. A lot of these are going to be turning green. Bitcoin's starting to break resistance. Let's see here when this updates. This blue line up here is just about updated. I'm sure some more of these are popping green. Let's see. Well, not really. I thought it would be a big difference here, but we got Psy. What's this? Rank number 8, up 20 spots, 671 million, 29 cents. For the month, it's up 109%. Woo, not sure what that is either. It's up a 2.5x for the month. Love them, man. Look at Bonk. It's up a 6x for the month. That's the stuff I like to get into. If you're a member, I try to throw some of them out to you guys to take a look at. So everyone I come across, Beam was the last one. That's done pretty well. We've been doing covering a lot of different new stuff. So a lot of stuff out there. I like the stuff where you can throw your money in and at 3 or 4 exit in a month. That's the stuff I like. I like looking at lower market caps. So if you're interested in that stuff, guys, consider becoming a member. I have a trading class group type thing for $14.99. It's a level 3 membership. That's a 30-day membership. Over 7 hours of videos you can watch on trading lessons and learn how to look at these charts and know when your tops are coming in. You just don't hold Injective, I'm sure. Last bull run I had 20 or 30 different tokens, so you got to know when your top's coming in. I cover FET quite a bit. Caspa I cover daily. Bone I cover a lot. So check out my memberships, guys. I'd really appreciate it, man. Comes in handy, helps a lot. So let's take a look here. Injective price targets. All right, if you took a fib from the previous on a weekly here, the previous swing high to the swing low overall. All right, we're going to try to get this as perfect as we can. Right about there. All right, I'd be looking up around 40 bucks here for the next target for that thing. If it breaks that, then you're looking at the 64. And this Fibonacci is deadly accurate, man. Watch, very, very accurate. On a weekly, the RSI, a 100 and a 97. All right, still heading up. The monthly, at a 100 and a 94. All right, so you're getting overextended a little. The daily is at a 92 and a 90, just flipped bullish again. Okay, you're getting right at the top here. All right, the 12-hour turned back up. All right, the 47 and the 38 bullish. 8-hour just turned back up, and the 4-hour is just about 97 and an 88. It's bullish. All right, so this thing is really impressive of lately. Gotta love this thing, man. It's making a nice run here. Broke through all the fib levels here. You have 38 as the first one here if you go with this top here. But I like to go through the whole previous. Go out a monthly if you're setting new all-time highs and look at targets like that, because usually this thing's pretty accurate. So I'd watch for 38 to 40 bucks. And and just be careful, guys. The RSIs are getting a little high. You never know. FOMO kicks in with this thing, how high it could go. Okay, I'm not telling you to sell. I'm not telling you to do anything. Right now we are at let's see what price is at 35.80. Okay, up almost 17% for the day. All right, so the Fibonacci is telling you, not me, around $40 here is the next possible target. So just be careful. All right, you got your monthly is still bullish. Okay, keep an eye on these things. I teach you how to do that. All right, the weekly is still bullish, but it's at a 100 and a 97 here. Okay, Watch for a crossover on these things. Just be very, very careful. And the daily, look at it. It was bearish, and it crossed back up bullish again here. Okay, you can see on the chart when it flipped bearish here, that's when it started going sideways, but didn't have much of a pullback at all. I mean, it's showing some serious strength. I'm going to put a line up at that 40.25, right around there. That's good enough. 40.21 we'll go with. Anywhere around 40 bucks. It looked like the fib was given a target for 38 to 40. Okay, it's at 35.88. We're going to put, because usually, you have an area of support and resistance. You don't really have exact lines. You have areas. Okay, support and resistance, like I said, comes in areas, not exact lines, so we were going to go look at it, it's almost up to that 38 now. We'll see what happens. We'll see if it blows through there, or what happens with this. We'll check back tomorrow on it. But right now, Injective, yeah, look at that. It came up and hit that 37.50. You got a little bit of a pushback there. You can see right now. See, it's pulling back a hair. Just great, but you got volume coming in here. So just be careful, guys. That's all I'm saying. You never know how high these can go when the RSIs start telling you to sell. Make sure you pay attention to them. Okay, still bullish on the 1 hour. You got your 4 getting near top there. That 8 is just turning up. Okay, but you got lower highs here on the RSI, so you got some bearish divergence. The daily, all right, you still have a lower high here so far. Than this high over here. This one's still lower. So just keep an eye on that stuff. Pay attention to the charts. Don't get greedy. I always tell people, greed kicks in, and because when this thing does hit a high, it's going to pull back hard. Okay, whenever it does. But let's take a measurement here let's see if this is a wave 1, 2. Let's just check this out once. Just curious, all right? This trend-based fib, I love it. If this was a wave 1, wave 2, pullback. Wow, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was, it gave a target of 34.80. Boy, just about nailed down on the dot, okay? So maybe it had a small ABC correction in here. Let's look. After that, wow, man, it nailed that price too. I love that trend-based fib. Absolutely love it. Then you could add a little ABC in here. Let's look here. Don't see much of a correction. I really don't. If you measure anything out, you had a 702 hit right there. And if it would have pulled down and did a full ABC, which it did not, gave it a target of 27 bucks and ended up pulling down to 28. But missed it by $1. A, B, looked like a short C leg, and you could be starting another 5 waves. We'll see. We'll see when it gets up to this area what happens. All right, thank you so much, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. Consider becoming a member. It really helps out a lot, and I hope you all have a great day. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Thanks.